Hello everyone, it's Keroy King here, author of Divine Soul Whispers. How's everybody doing? Today I'm reading poem on page 81. Break the chains. Break the chains. Let's see. Threads from the past anchored within me, pulled on my heartstrings, hindering my flight into the future that is different and bright. Locked up in the past, visions of golden handcuffs filled my mind. I saw them, I thanked them, and released them. Freedom rang in my free spirit. I am free. I am free. Free to ride off into the sunset, create new memories of choice, explore the adventures of a lifetime, a thread in time, a thread released. The chains are broken. Amen to that. The chains are broken. You know, what inspired this poem was those things that hold us back. Some, you may be in a situation where things are good enough. Those are what I call the golden handcuffs. Good enough is not the best. You should always strive for the best. Sometimes you have to release the good enough in order to access the best for yourself. So the choice is yours. The choice is always yours. You know? Alright. As always, this is Keroy, author of Divine Soul Whispers. I hope these poems encourage you, strengthen you, give you insight, aha moments, because that's what they do for me. I'm always amazed at the way words can formulate a different image in your mind to give you the opportunity to be free, like a bird. Actually, that should be the next poem. Talk to you soon. Bye.